Intro. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you've ever had a frustrating experience waiting for customer support or navigating an endless phone tree, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced digital world, customers expect quick responses and personalized service. That's where AI-powered chatbots come into play. In today's video, we're going to explore how to build a scalable AI-powered customer support chatbot, from the initial development phase all the way through to deployment. We'll break down the entire process into manageable steps, ensuring you have a clear understanding of what it takes to create a chatbot that meets the needs of your business and your customers. So, let's get started. What is an AI-powered chatbot? Before diving into the development process, let's define what an AI-powered chatbot is. Simply put, a chatbot is an application designed to simulate human conversation, either through text or voice interactions. AI-powered chatbots utilize natural language processing, machine learning, and other advanced technologies to understand customer inquiries and provide relevant responses. This means they aren't just programmed with a set of predefined answers but can learn from interactions and improve over time. Why build an AI-powered chatbot? So why should you consider building an AI-powered chatbot for your customer support? There are several compelling reasons. First and foremost, chatbots can handle multiple inquiries simultaneously, which significantly reduces wait times for customers. They're available 24/7, which means customers can get assistance whenever they need it, without relying on human agents. Additionally, chatbots can handle routine inquiries and tasks, allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues that require a personal touch. In essence, a well-designed chatbot enhances customer satisfaction and can lead to better business outcomes. Step 1. Define the scope and objectives. Now that we understand the importance of chatbots, let's talk about the first step in building one: defining the scope and objectives. What specific problems do you want your chatbot to solve? Are you looking to provide general support, troubleshoot issues, or facilitate transactions? Clearly defining the scope will help guide the development process. You should also establish measurable objectives, such as response times, customer satisfaction rates, or resolution rates. This will help you evaluate the success of your chatbot once it's deployed. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Once you've defined your objectives, the next step is choosing the right platform for your chatbot. There are numerous platforms available, including Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Framework, and Raza, each offering its own set of features and capabilities. When selecting a platform, consider your technical expertise, budget, and the specific features you require, such as integration with existing systems or support for multiple languages. If you have a development team, they may have a preference for certain platforms based on their experience. Step 3. Design the conversational flow. With your platform in place, it's time to design the conversational flow. This is a crucial step because it determines how users will interact with your chatbot. Start by mapping out common customer inquiries and creating a flowchart that illustrates how the chatbot will respond to different queries. Think about the various paths a conversation can take and include fallback options for when the bot doesn't understand a question. A well-designed conversational flow enhances user experience and helps the chatbot handle inquiries more effectively. Step 4. Develop the chatbot. Now we get to the technical part: developing your chatbot. If you're using a platform like Dialogflow or Microsoft Bot Framework, they typically provide user-friendly interfaces that allow you to build your chatbot without extensive coding knowledge. However, if you want to create a more customized solution, you may need to involve developers. The development phase includes programming the chatbot to understand user intents, as well as defining entities that the chatbot needs to recognize. This could include keywords, phrases, or other specific data relevant to your industry or customer inquiries. Additionally, integrating machine learning can enhance your chatbot's ability to understand context and provide more accurate responses. Training your chatbot involves feeding it various examples of user queries and the corresponding correct responses. Over time, the chatbot learns from these interactions and improves its accuracy. Step 5. Implement natural language processing. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a core technology behind AI chatbots that allows them to understand and interpret human language. Implementing NLP involves using libraries or frameworks like Spacy or NLTK to process user inputs and extract meaning from them. A good NLP model will help your chatbot understand synonyms, linguistic nuances, and even user sentiment. Given the complexities of human language, investing time in this step is crucial for creating a responsive and effective chatbot. Step 6. Testing and iteration. Once your chatbot is developed, it's time for testing. This phase is essential to ensure that your chatbot functions correctly and meets your defined objectives. Start with internal testing, where members of your team interact with the chatbot to identify any issues. Pay attention to areas where the bot struggles to understand user queries or provides irrelevant responses. Use this feedback to make necessary adjustments. Next, move on to beta testing with a small group of real users. This will provide valuable insights into how the chatbot performs in real-world scenarios. Encourage testers to provide feedback on their experience, including areas for improvement. Iteration is key here. Based on the feedback received, continuously refine the chatbot's capabilities, conversational flow, and NLP models until you achieve the desired performance. Step 7. Deployment strategy. After rigorous testing and optimization, the next step is deployment. Before launching your chatbot to the public, develop a deployment strategy. Consider the channels through which your chatbot will be available. Will it be integrated into your website, mobile app, or social media platforms like Facebook Messenger? Each channel may require different configurations, so plan accordingly. Also, think about how you'll introduce your chatbot to your customers. Will you run a marketing campaign, or simply add it as a feature? Ensuring your customers are aware of your new AI-powered support tool can increase adoption rates. Step 8. Monitoring and maintenance. Congratulations! Your chatbot is live. But the work doesn't stop here. Continuous monitoring is essential to ensure your chatbot remains effective. Use analytics tools to track key performance indicators such as user engagement, response times, and satisfaction rates. Analyze conversations to identify common issues or areas where the chatbot may struggle. This ongoing analysis allows you to make data-driven decisions about updates and improvements. Furthermore, regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your chatbot up to date with new information, product offerings, or changes in company policy. Schedule periodic reviews to ensure that the chatbot is aligned with your business goals and customer needs. Step 9. Gather user feedback. In addition to monitoring performance metrics, actively seek user feedback. After interacting with the chatbot, consider asking users to rate their experience or provide comments. This feedback can be invaluable in identifying pain points and understanding user needs. Engage with your customers on social media or through surveys to gather insights that can inform future developments. Step 10. Scalability considerations. As your business grows, your chatbot should be able to scale with it. When designing your chatbot, consider how it will handle increased volumes of inquiries. Ensure that your infrastructure can support an influx of users without compromising performance. Load testing can help simulate increased traffic and identify any potential bottlenecks. Additionally, think about expanding your chatbot's capabilities over time. As your business evolves, you may want to add new features or integrations, such as connecting your chatbot to a CRM system or incorporating advanced analytics. Building with scalability in mind ensures that your chatbot remains a valuable asset as your business grows. Conclusion. In summary, building a scalable AI-powered customer support chatbot involves careful planning, development, and ongoing maintenance. By defining your objectives, selecting the right platform, designing an effective conversational flow, and continuously monitoring and iterating, you can create a chatbot that significantly enhances the customer experience. Remember that this is a journey, and your chatbot will continue to improve with time, as it learns from user interactions and adapts to changing customer needs. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into technology and digital solutions. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy chatbot building!